A friend of mine asked for a specific design, so I'm going to be doing a Texas shape tie-dye today. For that, you'll need the shape of Texas or whatever other state you might want to do. A needle and some thread, sinew, and a washable marker. As always, the shirt has been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun to a damp state. And since this is going to be ice dyed, I'm going to flip the shirt inside out. While I'm doing... Oh, I shouldn't need to mark the center. I should be able to eyeball this. So, make sure this is relatively flat. And then look for the place for the Texas. Now, since the shirt is inside out, you'll of course have to flip the design. And I think we'll go right about here. So I'll go ahead and mark around that. Okay. Now, to work on this, I'll need to pick a starting spot. And I'm going to stitch around the design. You can cut away the needle. Grab the two ends. Once you think you've got that, you can just tie the string around it, but I prefer to go with sinew. So I'll go ahead and tighten sinew down on it. And pull that really tight. And just tie that off lightly. And I'll also go ahead and cut the string. Okay, so the rest of the shirt is whatever design you want to go with, of course. I'm basically going to bundle it like this and mark this out and mark off about every 4 inches or so. And we'll go ahead and tie this up. So while it doesn't look like it, this is a Texas design. Off to dye. Okay, for the Texas, this little spot right here is the Texas, and everything else is the remainder of the shirt. I'm trying to keep that separated somewhat more. We'll see how it goes. So for the colors for this, I was asked for blues and purples, so I'm doing turquoise, cerulean, brilliant blue, grape, deep purple, and power berry. So let's get started. Okay, I'll let this sit until it melts and then flip it over and decide what to do on the dye for that side. Okay, now that the first side is finished, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And I think what I'm going to do is just go with turquoise about halfway down or so, and then with grape the remaining distance. We'll see how that turns out. Now I'm going to put quite a bit less than I normally do. Sit for 18 to 24 hours and then we'll do a washout. It's been about 18 hours, so time for a washout. Okay, let's give this a look. Let me go ahead and flip it right side out. Okay, so there's the back and the front.